Oh, I gotta get gas. I'm on my way to the house to go check it out. We got drywall. Like, we got drywall up, the brick, the siding, all of it. All of it's done. But I'm going to see it because I'm gonna go measure out some of the rooms to see for furniture sizes. Because we're going furniture shopping tomorrow. Also, I'm excited to see what it looks like with like walls. Come on, light's green. Oh, there's a German Shepherd. Omega. But yeah, I'm very excited to see what the house is going to look like. Now we're gonna have like rooms and stuff. And I saw this thing that was really cool online. It is a short throw projector, which is like a little projector thingy, and they're like high quality, like 4K projectors, and great quality. You can get up to like 200 inches on some of these systems. I'm looking at like 150 inch maybe, and there's like a projection screen that like you can get that can rise up out of like a cabinet. It's really cool. I'm thinking about getting one of those eventually, not right away because it's kind of expensive, but eventually I want to get one of those to put up in our loft. Yeah, brother. I don't know if anyone can tell. I had, or have, actually, I still think I have laryngitis. Kind of getting over it now. It's not as bad as what it was. Tuesday, when I was at the customer delivering in Long Island, on Long Island, in Long Island, or on Long Island? I don't know. I'm assuming on Long Island. Anyway, while I was delivering, I had almost no voice. So I was trying to talk to the customer, and the only way I could get a little bit of a voice out is if I talked a little higher. So I was kind of like I was kind of talking like this a little bit, so I could get a little bit of a voice, because my normal voice, this one right here, just sounded like I was Batman. It sounded like this. I'm Batman. So yeah, that was embarrassing. So I was talking in like a higher pitched voice, but I couldn't talk loud either. And so I was trying to talk to this guy, and my voice was breaking. I sounded like a teenage boy going through puberty, because my voice just kept cracking, which I explained to him, you know, hey, I got laryngitis, so I can't talk very loud, so you're probably going to need to come a little closer to hear what I'm saying. And it's gotten better throughout the week. I kind of did this to myself. I was kind of sick last weekend, had like a little bit of a chest cold or whatever, and I didn't chill out. I went out and I did a bunch of stuff. Me and my wife did. Went out to a festival, or just out all weekend doing stuff. And I ended up making it worse. And then I ended up with laryngitis. So my voice is a little bit raspy. It's really not nearly as bad as what it was. It might not even be noticeable on here. I don't know. I'm an asshole. I can never read what the rest of that sign says. I just know it says, I'm an asshole. And then it says like some other stuff at the bottom in like smaller print that I can never read quickly enough as I pass it, because there's like too much. Oh, there it is. Check it out. Oh, dude, we got shutters up now too. We got the black shutters on. Make sure there's no nails over here. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, this is so freaking cool seeing all this finally come together. So, I know I went through this in a previous video, but there's no drywall up. So we got kitchen, living room area. Of course, that's where the TV's gonna be on. We've got some light fixtures up there in the ceilings. Big old entryway. It's actually larger than I thought it was gonna be, which is cool. Wife's office. So there's gonna be 2 French doors right there going into her office. It's a big office. It's supposed to be a dining room. We're just gonna make it an office, and we added in the French doors to make it more office-y. Neighbors are finally getting their house started. And spare bedroom. This was kind of the weird closet I was talking about with the window. And there's my bike. Here's the loft. This is what I'm excited for. How many switches are they putting in? I'm thinking probably an 86-inch TV. We have an 86, I'll probably get another one. And then also have like that rise up out of the floor screen short throw projector thingy right there. It's kind of cool seeing the texture on the ceilings. Kind of makes it look a little more done. So here will be the couch. I'm gonna measure this. So couch here. Man, I don't know, this might be a little tight. I was thinking couch here, and I was gonna put a bar back here, but I might need to put the couch back here. I don't know. Another spare bedroom. Nothing to really see in here. The master. Oh. Tray ceiling. This is cool. Never had a tray ceiling before, so this will be really cool. View of the pond again. Oh, they don't have the fountain going today. It's weird. Oh, 10'9". Wait, I'm gonna write that down in my little notebook. Oh, I left my little notebook upstairs. Son of a bitch. Like having a 2-story is cool, but I'm not gonna walk up and down stairs and shit. Making me freaking do stuff. What'd I say that was? I don't remember. Alright, so I think I got all the measurements. The GoPro sucks. I'm gonna quit using GoPro. This thing's just like not working right. Like I'm recording stuff and it'll like record for so long and it'll just stop and I don't even realize it. But anyway, I got all my measurements. Dog, I am literally the most forgetful person ever. So I drive away from the house and I forgot I didn't take my microphone off of my jacket. And then get down the road, I turned around because I thought I like dropped it on the ground. Nope, it was still on my jacket somehow. So I just now got it back in my helmet and I drove away and now I forgot to freaking strap down my helmet. It is very cool seeing the house finally come together like that. This whole neighborhood's filling up. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Show off the house a little bit, get some measurements, check for sizes so we can get some furniture. I know that was like a weird, maybe New York impression. I don't know what that was. But that does remind me when I was in New York. Dude, the accent and the attitude of New York, you know, like New York City. Yeah, I love it. I think it's awesome. I think it's hilarious because these guys don't give a shit. It is so refreshing to see people not give a crap. And these are like true New Yorkers, you know, the born and raised New Yorkers. I like those guys. Those guys are awesome because they don't give a crap. Like, oh, I hurt your feelings. Go eat ass. They're so nice and also mean at the same time, and I love it. Anyway, I got a pee-pee, and I'm just gonna call it quits right here. So, yeah, till the next one. Okay, love you. Bye-bye. I went in there and used the bathroom and I still had my helmet on because I didn't want to take all the stuff off and have to fight with all that. And I almost forgot to turn off my camera. I mean, I guess I still could have posted it, but not on YouTube. It would have had to be posted to a website that's orange and black. I don't think Jesus would appreciate that, or my parents, or my wife. I don't think anyone would appreciate that.